You can't go wrong with curry chicken, peach, and pecan salad. Juicy Ontario peaches, tender curry chicken, crunchy pecans. This colorful salad is summer in every bite. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and I'm also a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario. And is this a recipe or is this a recipe? When you want to show off Ontario peaches, this is the way to go. I've got some absolutely gorgeous, beautiful Ontario peaches right here. Perfect consistency, absolutely gorgeous color. I've diced them up so that they're nice and bite-sized for this lovely curried chicken. Can't have a curried chicken salad without Ontario chicken. It's diced nicely. It's already cooked into nice bite-sized pieces. Beside our curried chicken, I've got 2 Ontario carrots that I've shredded. I've got about 2 Ontario green onions that I've thinly sliced. And then I've got some lovely pecans right here that I've just toasted a little bit. And I'm going to tell you, when you go to Foodland Ontario to check out this recipe, curry chicken pecan and, curry chicken peach and pecan salad, it absolutely recommends that you toast the pecans, and I absolutely agree. Now, we're going to start with the dressing, and this dressing can be made a couple of days ahead if you want. It has some lovely yogurt. We have mayonnaise, salt, lemon juice, garlic, curry powder for our curry, and a little bit of cayenne. And you can control your spice level. I mean, as every recipe, this is to your palate. So I'm going to do something crazy, and I'm going to make the dressing directly into the bowl that I'm going to toss my salad in. And this is one of those things that, yes, flavors can develop over time. You can enjoy it the next day, but I'm going to say this is one of those recipes that as soon as you make it, you're going to want to eat it right away because it just looks and smells so good. Those peaches are going to give it such a lovely, juicy sweetness that'll pay off the curried flavors. So I've added my mayonnaise and my yogurt, and I'm going to add my lemon juice for a little bit of acid. And I'm going to add some fresh Ontario garlic that has been pureed, and some cayenne because I like it spicy, a little bit of salt, and last but not least, of course, some curry powder. And I'm just going to get this all mixed up and incorporated. And this is one of those, the recipes that just starts to smell good right away. I'm really trying very hard not to kind of gob a bit because, my goodness, this smells so good. This is my wheelhouse. When people ask me, what do I like to eat? I like things with big flavors. You know that I love local. So as long as it comes from Ontario, I'm an excited person. This is already smelling so delicious. I'm just going to put this here. And now I am going to start off by adding my lovely cooked diced chicken. And when you do your mise en place or when you go shopping, things are so much easier when you have everything ready to go. I mean, right now as I'm talking to you, I have everything ready in front of me. You're seeing just how quickly this all comes together, just adding each of those ingredients. I think I'm going to pull back a little bit on the carrot just for now. And then my lovely Ontario green onion, which I think when you look at this and you see all of those flavors coming together, you've got the crunch, you've got the sweet, you've got the savory, you've got the spicy. And then once it's all incorporated, those lovely, lovely toasted pecans are going to just bring everything together. It's one of those things that when you go to foodlandontario.ca, there are so many different recipes for you to choose from. And what I like to do is I like to look for the Foodland Ontario label. That way I know where my food is coming from. And the fact that I know it's grown here, I know it's going to be at its peak freshness, peak flavor. Look at how quickly this all came together. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to say if you want this recipe, you can always go to foodlandontario.ca, or you can go to my website and check it out, www.chefcori.com. Once again, another awesome Foodland Ontario recipe that can be absolutely enjoyed by you and your guests. See you the next time.